Data is everywhere, but not all data is the same. If you want to create clear, insightful reports in Power BI, understanding different data types is the first step. Shall we unlock the power of data together? Why understanding data types matters. Before you even think about visualizations, you need to know what type of data you're working with. The data type you choose determines how it can be analyzed and displayed in Power BI. Different data types require different visualizations to create clear, professional, and insightful reports. All right, let's break it down. First, we have qualitative data, also known as categorical data. This type of data includes labels, names, or categories. It's not numerical and can't be measured in a traditional sense. Instead, it helps group and classify information. For example, customer names like Alice, John, or Emma, product categories like vegetables or software, and regions like North America or Asia Pacific all fall under qualitative data. This type of data is useful for understanding trends, segmenting customers, and organizing information. Next, we have quantitative data, which involves numbers that can be measured or counted. Unlike qualitative data, quantitative data allows you to perform mathematical calculations. This includes things like sales revenue, expenses, and the number of employees in a company. Businesses rely on this data to measure performance, track financials, and make informed decisions. Now, let's go a little deeper. Quantitative data comes in two types: discrete and continuous. Discrete data includes whole numbers, things you can count. For example, the number of orders placed, store locations, or customer visits. These are fixed values that don't have fractions. Continuous data, on the other hand, can take any value within a range, including decimals. Think of sales revenue, temperature, or profit margins. These values fluctuate and can be measured with more precision. Now, there's a special kind of numerical data, time series data. This is data that's recorded over time, like website traffic or stock prices. Imagine tracking your monthly sales growth. This helps you see if sales are increasing or declining over time. Businesses rely on time series data to identify trends, make forecasts, and track performance over days, months, or years. So, how do you know which type of data to use? Qualitative data helps categorize things like customer demographics and product types. Quantitative data helps measure things like revenue, expenses, and employee performance. Time series data is best for tracking changes over time, like financial trends or market behavior. Knowing your data type ensures accurate analysis and better decision making. Now that you know the key data types, you're ready to use them effectively in Power BI. Want more insights? Follow us for expert tips on Power BI and data analytics. Stay connected with us on social media. Links are in the description. Or just search for Polaris Studio Hub. See you in the next one.